Select the Type tool. Pick a text color. And type your text. Select the Selection tool. Go to Type. Create outlines. Align the text in the center of the artboard. Select the Line Segment tool. Press Shift and create a straight line. Align the line in the center of the artboard. Use the Selection tool to select everything. Open the Pathfinder and select Divide. Right-click on the text and select Ungroup. Select half of the text. Right-click on it and select Group. Select the other half of the text. Right-click on it and select Group. Select the Free Transform tool. Select Perspective Distort and adjust the perspective. Use the Selection tool to select the other part of the text. Again, select the Free Transform tool. Select Perspective Distort and change the perspective. Zoom in to make sure the two parts of the text align perfectly. Make this part of the text a bit darker. And that's how you place text in perspective.